Mercury is both the closest and smallest planet from the Sun. It is around 4,879 kilometers in diameter and 59 million kilometers away from the Sun. Although Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it is not the hottest planet in our solar system. In fact, one side of Mercury, the day side, is at its highest around 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 430 degrees Celsius. And the other side, the night side, can be as low as negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 180 degrees Celsius due to its slow rotation, lack of atmosphere, and proximity to the Sun. What's interesting is that there are regions on the tiny planet's surface that never see the light from the Sun, near the polar caps. When it comes to internal structure, it technically has the same structure as the other three rocky planets, but what makes Mercury unique is its massive iron core that makes up 85% of the planet's size. As the core cooled down ever since Mercury formed, it caused the planet to shrink by less than 8 kilometers in size. Now we have to mention the planet's orbit. Mercury orbits the Sun every 88 days at a speed more than 160,000 kilometers per hour. The planet's orbit is the most eccentric orbit of any planet in our solar system. But the most interesting facts about Mercury are its gigantic iron core, which obviously makes up 85% of the planet's size, and the chemistry in Mercury's crust. Now, this isn't natural, and the elements that make up the planet's surface would have evaporated a long time ago if Mercury formed near the Sun. So it's very likely that Mercury, billions of years ago, formed near the region between Venus and Earth, an area where dozens of planetary embryos were all fighting for position. It's possible that a planetary embryo crashed into Mercury, destroying most of the planet's crust and mantle, throwing the planet into the weird elliptical orbit we see today.